Hello and welcome to this video of Data Science and Machine Learning Do It Yourself. Features of the course. In this course, we are going to talk about data science, machine learning with no prerequisites. There is no prerequisite. If you have no idea what is data science, machine learning, this is the course. If you know something about machine learning, data science, and want to kickstart your career as a data science specialist, this would be the course. If you want to follow the examples, understand what is data science, how do we do machine learning programming in R primary, this is the course which you can utilize to understand this world of data science and machine learning. Each topic is accompanied by hands-on exercises, and it's highly recommended to follow each exercise on the video as I do it. And also there would be some practice sample exercises which you can keep following for better understanding of the subject. Assuming you don't have any background experience, learn it at your own pace. This is the objective of this course. Agenda. This is what we are going to cover. Introduction to machine learning. In this video, we are going to focus on R. So I'm going to do a crash course on R, data structures, frequently used commands. If you don't want to learn or see R, the basics of R, and you already have good understanding of R, you can straight away go to video number 8 of this series. Then we are going to talk about supervised and unsupervised machine learning algorithms, hands-on real-time examples, and then data science real-life project. Each and every module has a project, a use case associated with it. Now, what is machine learning? It's a type of artificial intelligence which provides an ability for the machine to learn without having to do the coding. All it needs is data, which is the oil or the fuel for machine learning, to be able to understand the patterns in the data and to be able to develop a program which at the end is called as a model. And this model, when exposed to new data set, it can learn, it can grow, and it can tell you or predict or be able to give you insights on the future or the components or the target associated with it. I'm going to talk more on detail. So there are 4 parts: collect data, train data, evaluate model, and deploy model. So collect data, train model, evaluate model, and deploy model. So assuming that the price is $4, $16, $20, and $20. This is the training data set. We are going to train the model, and the profit is 1, 4, 5, and 25 corresponding to the price. Train. After the model is trained, it's very simple. It's just for demonstration purposes. Profit is 25% of the price, or 0.25 multiplied by price would give you the profit. And then deploy the model, which can get new data set. And obviously this is one of the most simplest, but the machine learning which we're going to do and learn and understand is beyond that. So types of machine learning algorithms which we are planning to cover in this course. Supervised learning. This type of learning has a predictive target feature. What I mean by this is, in the supervised learning, it's not about the learning is supervised or whatever, but the model is trained in such a way that there is a target value, most likely the amount or spend or expenses or some figure numeric figure associated with the target feature. Classification. Based on the data or the historical data, the model can be trained to be able to classify a subject. For example, um, let's say a customer based on his demographics, the gender, the type of income group, if he is married or not married, uh, based on the, does he have a house or rent a house or home. Based on that, you can have the customer classified as A, B, C, D, depending upon the spending patterns, and then you can do targeted marketing. So we're going to talk more on that. An unsupervised learning model is more for discovery. You don't have an object or you don't have a target in mind, but all you need to do is find the patterns. I want to find out the pattern of certain data set, where it belongs, and it gives you insights on the data. Segmentation analysis, pattern detection, and clustering, are common forms of unsupervised learning. Having said that, we are going to drill deeper on these type of learnings. And so this is the classification at a broad level. For supervised and unsupervised, we have classifications, numeric predictions, and here pattern detection or clustering. And these are different models associated with supervised and unsupervised learning. And as and when we go, we are going to see each and every type of learnings. For example, linear regression model or a neural network, which is deep learning. So if you look at deep neural networks, can be used for supervised learning, for classification, as well as numeric predictions, same as the support vectors. So R for machine learning. Let's get started. Download and install R from CRAN, which is Comprehensive R Archive Network. That is the first step. What is R? R is a compiled binary distribution of the base system and contributed packages, which can help do the statistics analysis, mathematical statistics analysis. You can create models, you can create supervised, unsupervised models, as we discussed earlier, and R is a platform. Python is a very close competitor of R, and obviously we are going to cover Python in a different course, not part of this course. This course is oriented towards machine learning in R, and it's the most common machine learning language, and it can be integrated with other tools like Tableau, QlikView, QlikSense for dashboarding and visualization purposes. And this is the link which you want to go and get your R version or R downloadable, install it. And let's start with the first, download and install R. You would see for each and every course you would have a hands-on exercise, and numbering would be a continuous, like 1, 2, 3, depending upon where you are. And check the libraries installed. Use library command, this command. So assuming you used you can go to Google, search for R from CRAN mirror, and you should be able to get to this link. Click on this link, and download R for Windows, Linux, or Mac, wherever you are. The link to install this is in the comment section, in the description of this video below. Once installed, you would have an RGUI like this. We're going to talk about this in the videos to come, but just to get an understanding, just type library and you would see the libraries already in the installed. So we're going to talk more on libraries and to work with R in the next video. Thank you for watching.